Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you know how Notepad has basically looked the same for, what, 3 decades? Just a blank white box where we write passwords, grocery lists, or questionable batch scripts? Well, Notepad is finally having its glow up in Windows 11, and this one is big. Microsoft is rolling out a brand new version of Notepad, and guess what? You can now add tables. Yes, Notepad with tables. 2025 is wild. Today, I'm going to show you what's new, how the features work, and what's coming next. Let's jump in. So first up, tables. In Notepad, this is something people have been joking about for years, but Microsoft actually did it. Here's how it works. At the top of Notepad, you'll now see a new table option in the formatting toolbar. Click it and boom, you can insert a clean, simple table straight into your document. And editing them, super simple. Right-click to add or remove rows. Right-click to add or remove columns. Or use the new table menu in the toolbar. Notepad is officially stepping out of the Stone Age. But tables aren't the only upgrade. Microsoft also improved the AI tools inside Notepad. If you've used Write, Rewrite, or Summarize, you are going to love this faster streaming results. Instead of waiting for the full AI response to load at once, Notepad now streams the results live, kind of like how chatbots type as they think. You see the answer appear immediately and you can interact with it while it's generating. There are a couple of things to note though. Streaming for rewrite only works on Copilot plus PCs because the processing happens on your device. And of course, using any of these AI features requires signing in with your Microsoft account. Still, this is a smooth upgrade. It makes the whole AI experience feel way more modern. This version of Notepad is currently rolling out to Windows Insiders in the Dev channel, Windows Insiders in the Canary channel. So if you're in either of those, check the Microsoft Store for updates. If you're in the beta channel or the public release of Windows 11, don't worry. Microsoft says it will roll out to more users over the next few weeks. Honestly, I never thought I'd say this, but Notepad might actually become useful for structured notes now. Tables, basic formatting, AI writing tools. This is the biggest upgrade Notepad has seen in years, and it looks like Microsoft is finally treating it like a real app again. If you want me to cover all the new Windows 11 features coming in the next preview builds, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.